Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add video overlay over the video using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we have selected a blank video template, and here we are going to elements and we are just going to search for travel. Sir, why you always take example of travel? Because I love to travel, right? So here in the videos we have clicked on see all, right? And here we are just going to select a video. For example, I have chosen this video, right? And now I am just going to add one more video. For example, man I have searched, and here I'm just going to add this video over this video. Okay, and we are just going to move this video over here, and now what we are going to do is we are just going to increase its size, and now we are going to decrease the transparency, right? And as you can see, our video is ready, right? So in this way you can simply add a video overlay over a video using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.